The next time you make chicken, try this easy and delicious recipe. In a frying pan, start by adding 1 chicken breast cut into cubes and 4 whole eggs directly into the pan. Then season with salt and black pepper. Now let's add 1 tablespoon of heavy cream and parsley to taste. Mix everything very well until fully combined. Now we can add 1½ tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Mix well until the mixture is smooth and homogeneous. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching from so I can send you a special shout-out. Also add shredded mozzarella cheese. Mix again. Cheese is never too much in our recipes. It gives that special touch that my whole family loves. After that, place the pan over low heat, cover it, and let it cook for 15 minutes. After this time, flip the dish with the help of a plate. Cover again and let it cook for another 10 minutes. I'm very happy that you're enjoying our recipes. After cooking chicken this way, you won't want to make it any other way, because the result will impress you. It's very practical and super tasty. Make it at home and then come back to tell me what you think. I'm sure you'll love it. Wrap the chicken in foil, a genius trick no one teaches. I start by seasoning a chicken breast with salt to taste. Next, I season it with black pepper to taste as well. I finish with paprika to taste. I spread everything out really well. No rush. Tell me in the comments, have you ever made chicken like this? Alright, now I'm going to take the aluminum foil and add a little olive oil. Now, I place the chicken on top, then add a bit more olive oil. Now I'm going to seal the aluminum foil. I'm sure this will become a favorite in your home. It's impossible to make it just once. Next, I place the chicken breast in the air fryer. I close it and let it cook at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. When it's ready, I remove the aluminum foil and cut it into small pieces. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching from so I can send you a special shout-out. I'm really happy to know that you're enjoying my recipes. Now, in a pan, I add a little olive oil. Next, I add 1 chopped onion. I stir until it starts to brown. Then I add 1 chopped garlic clove. I mix again slowly. The flavor of this dish is simply unforgettable. Now, I add salt to taste and black pepper to taste. To enhance it, I add paprika to taste. With just a few ingredients and a little time, you'll prepare something amazing. Now, I add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mustard, and I stir. Now, I pour in 1 carton of heavy cream and mix everything once more. This special touch will completely change the way you see simple recipes. Now, I add the chicken we cut earlier. You'll see how the real magic is in simplicity. I bet you're thinking this is super easy to make now. To finish, season with cilantro to taste. Now it's time to serve and enjoy. Just look at how creamy this chicken turned out. Juicy chicken, creamy sauce, and intense flavor. It's the kind of recipe you make today and repeat all week long. Save this video so you don't lose it, and then tell me if it didn't become your favorite.